For the money, the weed will be free, but man legalized by the system that we put in. Still we smoked out like it's nothing, piff puffing past the rolling paper. Let me put my cushion, cousin quit the cussing. It was putting air for the reefer bunning. Expands my imagination. I'm an extraterrestrial creator, creating creations derived from rhyme book illustrations. My scriptures get sicker than Satan. And 14, I'm a resident of the manic money laddie. Usman and Kanaga, man, I fake fannies like some tired trannies. Switching from vegan boys than bitching. My farm off, never useless trend, nigga. Listen, I'm a rowdy kid, I've been filmed with what I've been given within this system. And Lucius got us in the cerebral prison. People like this style like a shun and torch and religion, but I'm not the one to bow down to people in a power position.
You need to sit back on this one. Smoke a doobie, watch cartoons till slowly loose. It's overdue, slide into your heaven. You need to sit back on this one. Smoke a doobie, watch cartoons till slowly loose. It's overdue, slide into your heaven.
You won't know life till you try to skate. You won't know high until you have to hide your face. We get too slumped, don't funk boards in a hot spot. Hops get jumping over fences for a good portion. A kick and a coast, yeah, we're slippier than most. Won't be sipping Coca-Cola, just sniffing a coke. Pissed in a boat, asking mystery mermaids to kiss on my throat, so I can have the voice of Ariel and sing till I choke. My yoke's thicker than yours any day, kiddo. You won't stick to these boards, you're just a day tripper. I'm laced with an eight, but my face is a waste. Clip, I've done that shit till I'm laying my grave. Call Josh for a nosh, as in food that you eat. No homo with a pause for you fools who ain't deep. Shallow fried in the cheap oil, I'm in the deep soil.